You need to know about positioning, marketing, and sales from an unexpected source. A TV series called Better Call Saul, arguably the best TV show that's ever been created. So I just wanted to list it up and just want to be careful here. There's no spoilers, so you don't have to worry. It should be spoiler free. In season 4 or so, Saul isn't...
Okay, first of all, I love this future channel. He has some crazy ideas and a lot of them don't match with me. But also, this guy helped me start thinking about charging high. Although I do not agree with a lot of things he say, but he's successful, so why not? Now, as usual, we're not going to watch the full 12 minutes long video. It's basically a beautiful reaction video in a storytelling style where he will take a clip from that TV series and explain how you can use this in your business and basically sell out of nowhere. That's the most amazing part because selling is making money. Anyways, we're going to copy the video URL, go to our Teachable app, get the transcript, copy the transcript, put it here, click this button and let AI work its magic. AI will find specific sections, a headline and a subheadline, and then we'll click import clips. Then save to cloud, and now this page has become a mini course or a lead magnet using other people's video without stealing the whole video. Now let's work on it. Before we begin, it's important to introduce today's sponsor, YapText.com. Yes, that's my app and it solves a huge problem. You see, in my business, I have to speak a lot and I have to text a lot. But instead of typing, which is annoying for me, and sending voice notes, which is annoying for the receiver, we built YapText. All we have to do is to click this button and start saying what we want to say. Think sometimes, say it, again think and say it, whether it's right or wrong, grammatically correct or incorrect or rude or strong or weak. Then we stop it and AI transcribes the audio as a text. It also saves the audio, make it downloadable, and later transcribe again if you want. Now, if the message is fine, then it's fine. If the message is not fine, then you can use one of these tones and use this polish with AI button and rewrite the transcript. And then you can just copy the text and paste it wherever you want. You can always go back and check what you said, copy from previous texts, rewrite previous texts. And the best of the best part, it's free to start. No one should stop you from starting for free. Now, we don't need to be annoyed by typing messages and we don't need to annoy our receivers by sending voice messages. Link is in the description and you can always type the super easy name on your browser, YapText.com. So look at the beautiful website we just got. The headline written by AI says, "How entrepreneurs create irresistible offers in 7 days without changing their product." That's amazing. The proven 5-step system that turns boring features into buy now benefits, even if no one's buying yet. Yes, that is true. And the system is called Pivot. Every letter is taken from the first letter of these clips. Let's go watch the first one, P.
So Saul, being so industrious, has to come up with a new idea to find customers because he's not making any money doing this.
All right, something is missing. I think AI missed it. The story was a guy got a job in this store and mobile phones back then wasn't that popular. Nobody knew about mobile phones, so there were not much customers. So he called his boss and boss said, "It's okay, not too many people buy." So he came up with ideas to sell.
Being the marketing genius he is, he decides to do something quite remarkable, and that is to create a different type of customer. Business guru Peter Drucker once said, "The purpose of a business is to make profit and also to create a customer." And that sounds like a strange concept to create a...
No, it's not a strange concept. It's amazing concept. That's true. And thank you very much for sharing this. Making profit, we all understand that. But creating customers, do we understand? Creating customers means you have to bring in new customers to your business every day. Otherwise, your business is dying. However, your business has to be something that can afford to take in new customers.
Customer, how do you do that? Well, in this time and age, in this reference of this video, the people who bought cell phones were people who wanted mobile access to be able to call people, and these are early days. But there are not that many people who had a demand for this back then. Today, it's ubiquitous. So to create a customer, it means you take the product, and without changing the product, you move it to someone else, and you find a whole different category of people to sell to. So instead of talking about features and functions, about data plans,
Did you notice what he said? Selling the same product to a whole different type of customers.
Roaming, free access, hands-free, and all that kind of stuff. He focused on doing something very different. He decided, instead of selling technology, he sold privacy. He painted his beautiful sign across the window that said, "Is the man listening?" Followed up with, "Privacy sold."
All right, I don't know whether you knew or not. Is the man listening? Is something that I didn't know about. It's a keyword that people use to say the government is listening or somebody is listening. Let me know in the comment whether you knew about the man listening thing. However, he put it in his window and it worked.
And the next little part that we're going to see here is the beautiful part where he pretends he's on the phone with an existing customer saying that they can't buy the phones because the demand on this phone is so high. He's created artificial demand.
Yep, maximum privacy. It's best money can buy. 10, no, can't do it. Everyone wants these things. 6, yeah, I can do 6. Okay, see you later.
You see what happened? It's back when people didn't know about mobile phones. He's doing a fake phone call and saying he can't do 8, he can do 6 maybe, and then he broke the phone, which means it's a one-time use thing. And when the customer walked in, he stopped him. Wait, there's a private thing going on. It's all about privacy. So he used the customer's ignorance, I would say, to create a whole new demand by a little bit acting on it.
So you notice also how he pretends to have a call with a fake customer.
The next step is V, or vague messaging.
Privacy sold here.
Yep, this is the place.
Privacy from who?
Come on, you know.
Like the government?
See what's going on here? He just wrote about privacy, but he still doesn't know what he's going to sell. Now he's using the customer, making the customer curious, and talk about what's in the customer's mind. This way, he will find out what the customer wants.
Could be.
See what happened here?
He doesn't know what he's trying to hide from.
Exactly. So later the customer will say, "Is it IRS?" And he immediately knows, yes, that's what we need privacy from. This is in the customer's mind.
Becomes part of his signature look moving forward. Now,
Right. In the next scene, basically, he went out and tried to sell it to random people, random kids in the street. But they didn't trust him because of his outfit. So in order to blend in, he changed his outfit and tried to sell it to different people.
out of the trunk. He can't keep them in stock. There's another lesson to be learned here as he's selling these things like hotcakes. Go to where the customers are. Now, he realized the traffic that came to the store was just once in a while because it's not a place where people are looking for this. So he brings the show, so to speak, to the customers. And this is what you need to do. If you're trying to sell your services, be where the customers are. For example, if they're on TikTok, create content on TikTok. If they're more business oriented, they might be more on LinkedIn or somewhere in the middle like Instagram. So there's a valuable lesson here. By bringing your product, your wares, your services, your offers.
Thank you very much for this message. This is amazing. You need traffic, but you also need traffic from where your target customers are hanging out right now. This part is super interesting. Talk their language, not your language.
Hey, how's it going?
All right, it's a bit boring watching the whole thing here.
No, I haven't had the honor, but I used to be a lawyer. Emphasis.
When he said lawyer, it's another problem. But that also shows that he knows their problem.
On used to be. And I helped a lot of gentlemen such as yourself and your friends here. And one thing I learned from working with my clients in the New Mexico correction system is that private conversations are few and far between.
That's excellent right there.
Yes, exactly. He's using their language. By the way, guys, I want to give all the credit to the future because before I made this video, I learned from this video. But I made this video because it resonated with me. I already know this stuff, but this man packaged it up in a very nice way. So thanks to the future, talking about business, getting more customers. When you are selling something unique that nobody knows about, then you might have to create this kind of scenario, doing some actings, go to places, talk to strangers. That might be something that you don't want to do. You may just want to run your business from the comfort of your home, or you may just want to sell something that people already know about. Your physical presence is not required, because your product is digital and there are tons of people already know about them, tons of people already want them. If you want something like that, then I have a 99% done for you program for people just like yourself. Check the link in the description or link in the bio, depends on where you're watching this video from, and watch the free training. From the free training, we will transparently show you how we run profitable digital business, selling digital products using digital marketing with the power of AI, and how we can help you with the 99% done for you system. Go watch the free training and we will see you inside.